Ninja blenders have become synonymous with power and versatility in the kitchen. But with so many models available, choosing the right one can be a daunting task. Fear not, smoothie and food prep enthusiasts. This deep dive explores the top 5 Ninja blenders of 2024, offering a comprehensive review based on features, performance, and user experience. Number 1. Ninja Twist iBlender Duo. Compact Champion. This space-saving blender is ideal for single-serve smoothies and dips. Its 700-watt motor and single-serve cup make quick work of fruits and vegetables, while the Twist Lock technology ensures mess-free blending and portability. Experience. While powerful for its size, the Twist I struggles with thicker ingredients like nuts and ice. Cleaning the single cup can be tedious, and the lack of pre-programmed settings may feel limiting for some users. Number 2. Ninja BL610 Professional Countertop Blender. Powerhouse Performer. This classic countertop blender boasts a 1,000-watt motor and total crushing technology, pulverizing even the toughest ingredients. Its 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for large batches, and the Auto IQ technology offers 6 pre-programmed settings for effortless blending. Experience. The BL610 delivers exceptional power and versatility, making it ideal for families or those who love experimenting with recipes. However, its larger size and higher price point might not be suitable for everyone. Number 3. Ninja SS101 Foodie Smoothie Maker Smoothie Specialist. This personal blender focuses on creating perfectly smooth smoothies. Its 1,000-watt motor and smoothie bowl maker cup with tamper ensure effortless blending, even with frozen fruits and greens. The included travel lid makes it easy to take your smoothie on the go. Experience. The SS101 excels at creating silky smooth smoothies, but its limited functionality might not appeal to those looking for a more versatile blender. The single cup limits batch sizes, and the lack of pre-programmed settings requires manual control. Number 4. Ninja BN401 NutriPro Blender. Personal powerhouse. This compact blender packs a punch with its 900-watt motor and Nutri Ninja cups. Its single-serve design and Auto IQ technology cater to busy individuals who want quick and easy nutrient-packed smoothies. Experience. The BN401 offers impressive power for its size, making it perfect for individual smoothies and protein shakes. However, its smaller capacity and lack of versatility might not be suitable for larger families or those who enjoy a wider range of blending functions. Number 5. Ninja SS351 Foodie Power Blender. Ultimate Foodie Tool. This top-of-the-line blender boasts a 1,500-watt motor and food processor bowl, making it ideal for everything from smoothies to nut butters and doughs. Its Auto IQ Boost technology offers additional power for tougher ingredients, and the 72-ounce pitcher caters to large batches. Experience. The SS351 is a true kitchen powerhouse, handling virtually any blending task with ease. Its versatility and power come at a premium price, and its larger size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens.